Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Croatian premiere of the new Volvo C40 Recharge. So this is the all new electric model from Volvo, sits on the CMA platform, and it's the first Volvo built from the start as an electric vehicle. So let's start with the design. It is a gorgeous looking crossover. Just look at this front with very clean lines. We have the closed front grille and those LED lights with the well-known Volvo signature. And you see the grille, of course, it's a closed one, a bunch of sensors and radars integrated into this front badge. We also have the front view camera, and I quite like those gloss black elements on the sides. Now let me show you the side profile of the car. There we go. First thing you'll notice is the coupe style of the roof. It's a very unique styling, and length around 4.44 meters, wheelbase 2.7 meters. We have the lovely wheels. Let's take a look at the dimension. So 235/45 R20 diamond cut finish, and personal favorites for this car if you ask me. Also, the model in our video has the gloss black wing mirrors and gloss black roof with nice contrast. And yeah, I think they really nailed it with the design. You see 100% electric, 0% leather. There are two versions. You can have the option of just one electric motor on the front, or you can have them both on front and at the rear. And moving on, so here you see the unique styling of those lights. Just look at the lighting signature. We have the dots here, and then this goes all the way from one side to another, and definitely nice appearance on the road. You will for sure know that it's a Volvo C40 when you see it on the road. And for a bit of aggression, we have those roof spoiler and the spoiler at the back as well, both in gloss black. Volvo lettering, which is now a trend, with those lettering instead of the badge itself. Recharge twin, and the C40 lettering as well. Very clean design from the rear. And if we press this, you have the electric tailgate. There we go. Nice square shape and additional room for your cables. You also have the hooks for your shopping bags on both sides. Ski hatch. When you press this, tailgate closes. So overall, really nice looking electric crossover from Volvo. Tell me in your comments, what do you think about the design? And now it is time to check out the interior. And I'm gonna do a quick tour of the interior, not gonna go through all the infotainment system options as we have just short time here. We are on the Croatian premiere, as I told you. So as soon as you enter, you see the very clean lines and very clean styling of the car, a well-known Volvo steering wheel and the well-known new Volvo infotainment system. Some things are a bit different compared to, for example, my Volvo XC40 2021. For example, for the AC, you have the controls here. So you need to press this section in order to get the adjustments for the air blower and for the temperature. If you press this, you go into the main menu. We have the Google Maps, obviously very responsive, for sure among the best out there, because I mean, just look how fast this is. This is really good. Press this once again, you can pair your phone, of course, and we also have the Play Store, car status. For example, we do need the washer fluid on this model. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Notifications are here. If you press these settings, here is where you can change the general settings and stuff like that. So yeah, well, that's pretty much it. As I said, not gonna go through all the details. I love this pattern here. Carbon speakers on this one, as well as the panoramic roof. We have the gear selector for the automatic transmission, of course. Wireless charger, 12-volt power supply, and two USB-C ports, adjustable cup holders, and here is where you can put some things. Actually quite decent amount of room. Speaking about room, you also have some extra room in here. So yeah, now let's take a look at the rear bench. So the wheelbase measures 2.7 meters, large doors at the back, rather nice angle of opening. We have the carpeting here, something that we are used to seeing on Volvo models. I quite like that. Some storage area, and let's see this. I mean, decent amount of room really for my knees. The air vents, nice clicking sound. You have two USB-C ports. Let's see the middle armrest. There we go, with cup holders. And now let me show you the situation for my head, but before that, look at the attention to detail. Nice Swedish flag here. So let's see how much space I have for my head. Okay, so this is it, so just about right. I'm 1.87 m, and we do have the clever design of the roof actually, because it goes down. After the headrest, it goes really down, but here where you sit, it's really okay. Let us now check out under the bonnet. So you have to pull this. There we go. We do have hydraulic struts. There we go. Some additional room here as well. Maybe for the cables or, I don't know, backpack. And you put your washer fluid in here. So not just good looking, but also practical. That's always nice. There we go. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the point of view drive. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye bye.